Ricoritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Sanchez and today I'm very excited because we're gonna be doing a video about some outfit ideas for this Thanksgiving that is just gonna be in 2 days. So I hope you guys enjoy it and keep tuned until the end because at the end I'm gonna give you guys like a bonus outfit that I hope you like it. So leave me in the comments if you got to see it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on any of my social medias at kalibsanchez. With no further ado, let's start this Thanksgiving lookbook. This is the first look. Of course, jeans are the main part of your clothing for this look, and I picked a t-shirt, just a simple one. I like this part right here, and it comes in Thanksgiving colors or fall season colors. And of course, I picked also this, that it's more like an accessory part of clothing because it just gives up like a flattering touch and you want something special for Thanksgiving. So then I picked some jeans, just the regular ones, you know, simple kind of high-rise. And of course, to complete the outfit and make it glamorous, some heels. I like it brownish because it's Thanksgiving, and who doesn't like brown during Thanksgiving, right? And what do you think about this one? Yes, it's a total different look with the same jeans and the same t-shirt, but we put a long scarf on top and see how pretty it looks. Of course, fall colors. It's Thanksgiving colors. And then we're wearing some boots just to make it more glamorous. Ta-da! And yes, tell me what you think. It will last all day long. And this is the third outfit. Ta-da! And yes, for the ones who love skirts, this is a nice option. And yeah, maybe I'm a little obsessed about these kind of colors. I don't know if you see it. It's not red. It's kind of orange red tone. And then with some boots, black boots, dun-dun, and just a simple, very simple t-shirt that is gonna be comfortable for you guys. And yeah, this is the third look. What do you think? And this is the fourth look. Super sport, of course, some leggings and some shirt, any one you want, and of course some tennis shoes. And you will be wondering why. And this is because a lot of you guys, and maybe me, are gonna go Black Friday shopping right after Thanksgiving dinner. So we're gonna be ready. Just grab your purse and go. So this is another style for that special night. And this is just a tip. Depending on what part of the US you are, it's gonna be colder, it's gonna be hotter. But, you know, you can fix any of the outfits just bringing a nice jacket on, depending on how cold it is that day. And ta-da! So, thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on any of my social medias at kalibsanchez, and please leave me in the comments what are you planning to wear for this Thanksgiving. And as I promised, here we go, the last bonus outfit. I love you so much. Mwah! And yes, this is the bonus outfit. Just some PJs, some socks, just to be around the house, or maybe after Thanksgiving dinner you just want to chill, have some, I don't know, hot chocolate and just watch a movie and maybe Netflix and chill a little bit. Well, just cozy and nice for that night. Thank you, guys. Mwah!